Do you love goat cheese? I'm obsessed with goat cheese. I'm going to tell you why, okay? Goat cheese is a little bit special. It's very, very high in protein, and all cheeses have fat, including goat cheese. Don't be eating that fat-free cheese. Life is too short. You deserve better, okay? So goat cheese has fat in it, but here's the thing, ladies, it's a special kind of fat. The fats that are in goat cheese are called capric acid and caprylic acid. And these two types of fat are special because there's evidence showing that they increase feelings of satisfaction and they benefit weight loss, which is like amazing. Goat cheese benefits weight loss. I said that. And the other thing that's really amazing about goat cheese, particularly, is that it's packed with calcium and it's packed with phosphorus. So it's really a good food for bone health, for strong, healthy bones that aren't going to fracture and break. And it's also, it's probiotic, so like a yogurt, right? So goat cheese contributes to your immune system and having healthy digestion. So these are the reasons why I love goat cheese. Plus, I think it's delicious.